In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change Siri voice on iPhone. Changing Siri's voice on your iPhone can significantly enhance personalization and accessibility. By selecting a voice that aligns better with your preferences, you can make interactions with Siri more enjoyable and engaging. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of Siri and search. Select on this option of Siri voices. These right here are the accents according to your selected language. And down below are the samples of voices you may want to choose from. Tap on any to download and get saved right away. That's how easy it is to change to any other Siri voice of your own choice. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.